Hello friends, today we have to start the compulsory paper numerical analysis. In this paper there are 5 units. Now in this video lecture we are going to discuss the unit first, the solution of algebraic and transcendental equation. And in this unit, first is bisection method. First write the statement of this theorem. If function f of x is continuous between a and b, and f of a and f of b are of opposite sign, then there exists at least one root between A and B. Then write the working procedure. In working procedure, there are some steps. First step is choose two real numbers such as f of a, f of b less than 0. And second, set x of r that is equal to a plus b divided by 2. A and b are real number. Then put the value of a in f of x and find f of a, and put the value of b in f of x, then find f of b. The value of this product of these two is less than 0 in step 1. And second step, set x of r. X of r means addition of these two real number a plus b divided by 2. Then step 3, a if f of a into f of xr less than 0, the root lies in the a and x of r. Then for second approximation, go to step 2 and b if f of xr into f of b less than 0, the root lies between x of r and b. Then for second approximation, go to step second and see if f of xr is equal to 0, then x of r is the root of equation. Then step 4, repeat the procedure up to desired accuracy. Then find the percentage error. Percentage error is denoted by ER and it is equal to mod of XR dash minus XR upon XR dash multiply by 100. This is the value of percentage error. Then take the example. The example is given as, first write the example. Example, find a real root of equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Then find the solution. First, the working procedure of this theorem is used and find the solution. First step, first write the equation. Let f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. And then consider the real number, that is a and b. In this equation, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. These two number is considered. Then find the f of a and f of b, where f of a is equal to, put x is equal to 2, means f of 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 5, that is equal to 8 minus 4 minus 5, and this is equal to minus 1. And then find f of b. Here put b is equal to 3 and then find 3 cube minus 2 into 3 minus 5, that is equal to 27 minus 6 minus 5, that is equal to 16. And here f of a and f of b has opposite sign. F of a is equal to minus 1 and f of b is equal to 16. Therefore here f of a and f of b has opposite sign. Hence, the root lies between 2 and 3, and we have find the x of r, that is x of r is equal to in first iteration, and that is written by x1. x1 is equal to a plus b divided by 2. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and divided by 2, that is equal to 2.5. Therefore x1 is equal to 2.5. Then find f of x1. F of x1 is equal to f of 2.5 is equal to 2.5 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.5 minus 5, and after calculation value of this is equal to 5.625. Here f of a and f of x1 have opposite sign, because f of a is equal to -1 and f of x1 that is equal to 5.625, and value of these two is opposite, and hence root lies between 2 and 2.5, and then find the x2, and x2 is equal to a plus x1 divided by 2, and that is equal to 2 plus 2.5 divided by 2, and that is this value is equal to 2.25. Then again same procedure is used, and then find the f of x2, and f of x2 is equal to f of 2 into 2.5, and put this value 2 into 2.5 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.5 minus 5, and after this calculation, and this value is equal to 1.890625, and again the sign of f of a and f of x2 is opposite, and then root lies between f of x2 and f of a has opposite sign, and then root lies between x and f of a and x2. Therefore, then find the value of x3, and x3 is equal to 2 plus 2.25 divided by 2, and that value is equal to 2.125. Then again find f of x3, and f of x3, put the value of x is equal to 2.125, and write this value in equation 2.125 cube minus 2 into 2.125 minus 5, that is equal to 0.3457. Here we see that f of a and f of x3 again have opposite sign. Therefore, root lies between a and x3, and again find the x4, and that is x4 is equal to 2 plus 2.125 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.0625. Then again find f of x4, and that is equal to f of 2.0625, that is equal to 2.0625 cube minus 2 into 2.0625 minus 5, and that is equal to minus 0.3513. Here f of x3 and f of x4 have opposite sign, and hence root lies between 0. Here the root lies between 0.3457 and 2.0625, and then find the x5, that is x5 is equal to 2.125 plus 2.0625 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.09375. Then again find f of x5, that is equal to f of 2.09375, that is equal to 2.09375 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.09375 minus 5, and after calculation this value is equal to minus 0.008941. Here again we see that f of x3 and f of x5 have opposite sign, and hence root lies between 2.125 and 2.09375. And here again find the x6, and here x6 is equal to 2.125 plus 2.09375 divided by 2. After this calculation value is 2.10938. Then again find f of x6, and f of x6 is equal to f of x6 is equal to 2.10938, and that is equal to 2.10938 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.10938 minus 5. After calculation value is 0.166835. Again here we see that f of x5 and f of x6 have opposite sign, and therefore the root lies between 2.09375 and 2.10938. And then again find x7, and x7 is equal to 2.09375 plus 2.10938 divided by 2, and that is equal to 2.101565. Then again find f of x7, and f of x7 is equal to f of 2.101565, and put this value in equation 2.101565 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.101565 minus 5, and that is equal to 0.07859. Here we see that f of x5 and f of x7 have opposite sign, and hence root lies between 2.09375 and 2.10155, and then find x8, and x8 is equal to 2.09375 plus 2.10155 divided by 2, and that is equal to 2.09766. Then again find f of x8, and f of x8 is equal to f of 2.09766, and that is equal to 2.09766 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.09766 minus 5, and after calculation value is 0.03473, and here we see that f of 8, f of x8 and f of 5 have opposite sign, and hence the root lies between 2.09375 and 2.09766, and then find x9, that is equal to 2.09375 plus 2.09766 divided by 2, and that is equal to 2.0957. Then find f of x9. Put the value of x is equal to 2.0957. Then find f of x9 is equal to f of 2.0957, and put this value in equation. 2.0957 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.0957 minus 5. After calculation value is 0.01288, and here we see that f of x5 and f of x9 have opposite sign, and hence root lies between 2.09375 and 2.0957, and then find x10. x10 is equal to 2.09375 plus 2.0957 divided by 2. After calculation, this is value is equal to 0.09473, and then find f of x10, and f of x10 is equal to f of 2.09473. Put this value in equation, that is equal to 2.09473 raised to the power 3 minus 2 into 2.09473 minus 5. After calculation value is equal to 0.00194. Here again we see that f of x5 and f of x10 have opposite sign, and hence the root lies between 2.09375 and 2.09473. Then find x11, that is equal to 2.09375 plus 2.09473 divided by 2, and after calculation value is equal to 2.09424. Then find f of x11, and this value is is equal to same to this value, and then we find x of x10 is equal to 0.09473 and x11 is equal to 2.09424, means after decimal point 3 digits are same, x10 and x11. Therefore we find x11 minus x10, that is equal to 2.09424 minus 2.09473, and this is equal to minus 0.0005, and then find percentage error, and percentage error is equal to x11 minus x10 upon x11 multiplied by 100, and that is equal to minus 0.0005 divided by 2.09424. Write this value in mod, then value sign is positive, multiply by 100, and that is equal to 0.02 percentage, means error of this value is 0.02, and therefore real root of this equation is and hence right, the real root means corrected root, hence correct root to 3 decimal point is 2.094. This is the correct root of the given equation. Thank you.